It is too late. I've already caught him on his phone. I'll be reporting it to the police. And then after that, that'll look good to the magistrates, giving it the two fingers up. After that, it'll be on YouTube. On the phone.